This is a set of questions I have picked up from Quantitative Aptitude. Some of them are past year questions from IIM CAT or modified questions from other competitive exams like SBI PO, LIC, UPSC or other bank tests. The point of such practice test is to learn a wide variety of questions that could be asked for the aptitude section. The remaining part of this set, TPH-M1, will be included in the coming videos. Question number 1. Number of zeros at the end of 27 factorial. To find the number of zeros, you have to find out the number of 5s in this factorial. For example, let's take 6 factorial, which means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So which all numbers will get you a 0 at the end of the number? Having a 2 and 5 will give you a 0 at the end of your number. So if you look at 6 factorial, you can see that there is only one 5 and abundance of 2. 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. So basically for any factorials, the number of 5 will denote the number of zeros. So for 6 factorial, the number of 0 at the end will be 1. For 10 factorial, there is a 5 here, 5 into 2. So it will become 2. For 15 factorial, it will become 3. 20 factorial, it will become 4. And 25 factorial, it will become 6. Because 25 itself contains two 5s. So the answer here is option D, 6. Another simple method to solve this question is 27 divided by 5, which will give you 5. Don't consider the decimal portion. Again divide by 5, you will get 1. So add up these numbers, 5 plus 1, you will get the number of zeros. Question number 2, find the unit digit of expression. To find the unit digit, you have to find out the unit digit of each of these numbers. So for 55 raised to 725. As you already know, when the unit digit is 5, you raise it to 1, you will get 5. You raise it to 2, you will get a 25. Unit digit is 5. 5 raised to 3 is 125. 3, 625 and so on. So whatever the power here, you are always going to get 5. So 5 plus, next number is 73 raised to 5810. 3 raised to 1 will give you 3. 3 raised to 2, 9. 3 raised to 3, 27. 3 raised to 4 will give you 81. If you find 3 raised to 5, it will be 343. 3, 9, 7, 1, 3 and the cycle repeats 3, 9, 7, 1 and goes on. So after every fourth power, you will get the number in a repeating cycle. So what you do is you divide the power 5810 by 4 and find out the remainder. It will be 1, 4, 1, 8, 4, 1, 6, 2, 1, 5, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 8, 2. So the remainder is 2, which means the value will be 9. So 5 plus 9 and the last one 22 raised to 853. Again the same procedure, 853 divided by 4, you will get 2, 1, 1, 3, 4 and 1 will be the remainder. So 2 raised to 1 is 2. So 5 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to 14 plus 2 is 16. So the unit digit here is option C, 6. Question number 3. The number of zeros at the end of 1090 factorial. We have already seen the procedure to do this question. All you have to do is 1090 divided by 5 will give you 2, 1, 408. Again divide by 5, you will get 4, 183 divided by 5, 8. Divide by 5 again, you will get 1. So add these numbers up. 218 plus 43 is 261 plus 8, 269 plus 1 is 270. So option A is the answer. Question number 4. The average weight of 5 people is decreased by 3 kg when one of them weighing 150 kg is replaced by another person. So there is a person who weighs 150 kg and he is replaced by another person who weighs 5 kg. When this change happens, the average, suppose it is X, will drop by 3 kg. Even though this question may seem little confusing, you can do it even without writing a single word. So the average weight of 5 people is decreased by 3 kg. So imagine that the average weight of 5 people is decreased by 3 kg. So the total loss in weight should be 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15 kg should be lost when this transition happens. So the current person weighed 150 kg and the new person should weigh 15 kg less, that is 135 kg. So option B is the answer. I hope you understood the logic. The initial weight of the person was 150 kg and a person who weighed Y kg replaced him And when this transition happens, there is a loss of 3 into 5, 15 kilogram, which would be accounted from the total sum of weights. So for the total sum of weight to drop, you have to subtract 15 from 150, which will give you 135 kilogram. Option B is the answer. Question number 5. This is another simple question. We know two things from here. First one is average is 18. Second one, the numbers are consecutive. Suppose I start with one number, 18, and I take two more number left and right, 17 and 19. So what will be the average here? 17 plus 19 is 36. 36 plus 18, 54. 54 by 3 is 18. So the average here is 18. Now add two more numbers, 16 and 20. 16 and 20 is 36. Again the average will be 18. So the highest of this number will be 20. Option C is the answer. Instead of doing this, you can also take it as x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 4 and so on. But you don't need to waste your time on that. Next one is question number 6. The entrance ticket at the ABC Theatre in Kochi is worth 250 rupees. The price of the ticket was lowered. The sale of tickets increased by 50%, while the collections recorded a decrease of 17.5%. Okay. So what did you understand by reading this question? This is a question based on percentages. You can either take x, y and assumptions and solve this question, or you can follow this method. If you understand this method properly, then these kinds of questions become very easy. The questions in percentages, the questions based on percentages in data interpretation and logical reasoning will become very easy. So let's try to do this. So here let's take the initial collection as 100. The sale of tickets is increased by 50%. So when sale of tickets or number of tickets sold is increased by 50%, the total collection will increase by 50%. 50% will become 150. Then you see the next point, the price of the ticket was lowered. So due to this lowering of price, the collection is decreased by 17.5%. So the initial sale was 100. As a result of number of sales increasing by 50%, the total collection should have become 150. But instead, it reduced by 17.5% due to the price drop. So instead of becoming 150, it became 82.5%. So let me explain it again. Take the sales as 100. The sale of tickets increased by 50%. That is, N goes up. The number of tickets sold goes up. So the total collection should have been 150. But because of the price drop, it became 82.5. That is 17.5% from the initial value. Now the price drop will be equivalent to the change in percentage between 150 and 82.5. So the initial value was 150 and the final value 82.5 divided by 150 into 100. So 150 minus 82.5 is 67.5 divided by 15 into 10. 675 by 15 is 45. So 45%. So there is a 45% drop in price of the ticket. So now we come back to the first line. The entrance ticket at ABC Theatre is worth rupees 250. And the question is to find the reduction in ticket price. So 45% of 250 to 22.5. It becomes 112.5. Option B is the answer. I hope you understood how I solved this. If not, you can comment down below. I will help you with it.